Have you ever woken up, and the first thing you think about is how tired you feel or how much you have to do today? Most of us have done this at some point. But what if I told you that the first moments of your day could set the tone for everything that follows? Imagine waking up and speaking something so simple yet so powerful that it immediately shapes your thoughts, your mood, and even your reality for the rest of the day. The key is in those first words. What you say to yourself matters. The law of attraction works whether you believe in it or not. The universe doesn't need your permission to work in your life, it's already happening. But you can direct it consciously, and the easiest way to do that is by starting your day with intention. How you begin your morning is how the universe begins to respond to you. And when you start by affirming what you truly want, that energy flows throughout your day. You can start with one powerful statement. This is a simple phrase you can speak to yourself upon waking. As soon as you open your eyes, say these words: I am thankful for today, and I am ready to receive all that it brings. That's it. This is a simple affirmation, yet it is a direct call to the universe to bless your day. You don't need to complicate things. You don't need a long mantra or hours of meditation. Just start by acknowledging the new day, and immediately align yourself with gratitude and openness. Gratitude is key. When you wake up and immediately thank the universe for the opportunity to experience a new day, you are sending out a signal of abundance. You are saying to the universe, I am open to receiving good things today. Your mind begins to focus on the positive things, and your actions follow. Instead of worrying about what might go wrong, you begin to expect things to go right. The power of this practice lies in your belief. The universe is simply reflecting back what you believe and expect to be true. So, if you begin your day expecting abundance, gratitude, and ease, that is exactly what you will find. Your circumstances begin to shift, and even challenges that arise throughout the day seem easier to handle because you are operating from a place of positive expectation. It's also important to understand that what you speak into existence, you create. Words are incredibly powerful. When you say, I am thankful for today, you are acknowledging that today is already filled with goodness, even before you've experienced it. You are preparing your mind to notice the opportunities, the blessings, and the small victories that are already there. Now, you might be thinking, but what if today is filled with difficulties or problems? That's the beauty of the practice. When you say, I am thankful for today, you are accepting the day as it is, knowing that everything serves a purpose in your growth. Every challenge can be viewed as an opportunity to learn, expand, and evolve. This shift in perspective doesn't ignore the reality of difficult situations but empowers you to handle them with grace and wisdom. Another important piece of this is consistency. If you only say this phrase once and forget about it, you're not giving it the opportunity to transform your reality. The universe responds to consistent energy. So, make it a habit. Speak it every morning, without fail. Don't wait for a perfect moment or for everything to be ideal before you say it. The very act of speaking it is powerful. Your words are not just words, they are seeds being planted into the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool. It operates in the background, influencing your thoughts, actions, and even your beliefs. When you affirm your gratitude and readiness to receive, you are directly programming your subconscious to expect and attract good things. Over time, this begins to shift how you feel and think throughout the day. It becomes easier to find solutions to problems, to stay calm in stressful situations, and to attract opportunities that align with your desires. This isn't magic. It's the natural law at work. Just as the sun rises every morning without fail, so too does the law of attraction operate according to its own rhythm. You can either go along with it unconsciously or harness its power consciously. The choice is yours. You may also notice that as you begin to make this a morning ritual, your day becomes more fluid. You may start noticing things you never noticed before, a friendly smile from a stranger, an unexpected opportunity, or even a sense of calm and peace that lasts throughout the day. These small moments are the universe's way of showing you that it is listening, that it is responding to your energy. There's a profound peace in this understanding. When you realize that the universe is always working in your favor, that everything is unfolding in perfect timing, you stop fighting against it. You begin to trust the process. And trust is one of the most powerful things you can have in life. When you trust the universe, you don't need to have all the answers. You don't need to know exactly how everything will unfold. You simply know that it is unfolding in the best way possible for you. Your only job is to stay in alignment with the energy you want to receive. Speak your gratitude every morning, expect good things to come, and let the universe handle the rest. The key here is faith, faith in yourself, faith in the universe, and faith in the process. The more you practice this simple morning affirmation, the stronger your faith becomes. The more your faith grows, the more the universe reflects that faith back to you. It becomes a cycle of positive energy that continues to expand, just like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum. Reminder: the universe is always listening. It's not just about saying the words, it's about truly feeling the gratitude and the expectation behind them. When you speak with sincerity and belief, you are sending out a vibration that matches your desires. The universe responds to that vibration. It's not about begging or pleading for something to happen, it's about trusting that what you ask for is already on its way. Now, let's talk about the science behind this. Our thoughts are energy. Everything around us is made of energy. When you think a thought, you are sending out a vibration into the universe. That vibration is matched by similar vibrations, which is why you begin to see more of what you focus on. When you focus on gratitude, you are sending out the vibration of abundance, and that is what the universe reflects back to you. It's the law of attraction in action. It's not something you have to work hard at, it's about alignment. When you align your thoughts, words, and emotions with what you want, the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. But you must first align yourself with the energy of your desires, and this begins with your words. So, how do you make this a part of your daily routine? Start by setting an intention before you even open your eyes. As soon as you wake up, take a deep breath, center yourself, and speak your gratitude. Do this consistently, every morning. The more you say it, the more you will start to believe it, and the more you believe it, the more the universe will bring those things into your life. The words you speak are like magic spells. When you say, "I am thankful for today, and I am ready to receive all that it brings," you are casting a spell that invites positivity, abundance, and love into your life. And remember, you don't have to see it to believe it. You don't need to have all the answers, because you are speaking into existence the reality you desire. As the days go by, you will begin to notice that your life becomes more aligned with your desires. You may find yourself attracting more opportunities, experiencing less stress, and feeling more at peace. This is not coincidence, this is the law of attraction at work. Keep this practice simple, yet powerful. Your morning affirmation is the key that unlocks the potential for your day to unfold in the best possible way. And with each passing day, you'll realize more and more that the universe is always working with you, not against you. So, as you rise each day, remember this simple phrase: "I am thankful for today, and I am ready to receive all that it brings." Say it with sincerity, with belief, and with an open heart. Let the universe work with you, and watch as your reality begins to shift in ways you never thought possible. The universe is always listening. What are you saying today? Now, I encourage you to take this message and put it into practice. Say your affirmation every morning and allow the universe to surprise you with the magic that unfolds. Trust that you are always in the right place, at the right time, doing the right things. And as you begin to align your thoughts and words with what you want, you'll find that life becomes a series of beautiful synchronistic moments. If you found value in this video and you're ready to take control of your day, I invite you to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from this message. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with more practical tips and inspiration on how to create a life of abundance. If you're ready for more content like this, simply hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when new videos are posted. Your support means the world, and by subscribing, you're making an investment in your own growth and success.